Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to download HP LaserJet Pro M1132 MFP printer driver in Windows. So the first thing that we are going to do right here is to just open any browser. So once you open any browser right there, on the search bar, just search for HP LaserJet driver download. And then after that, just click on enter. After that, click on HP support. And then in this part, just click on printer. And then for this one, we're just going to put our printer, which is the M1132. And then after that, in this part, just choose your printer. After that, just scroll down and then just click the download button right here. And then let's wait for this to finish. After that, we're going to click on the show folder right here. And then we're going to drag this into our desktop. So once you drag that, just go back into this part and then we're going to double click on it. After that, just click on easy install and then click on next. After that, in this part, you will be able to see your printers. So all you have to do is to click that and then click on next. And then let's wait for it to finish. After that, let's go here on the search bar and then search for printers and then click on open. After that, in this part, just click on add device and then click add a new device manually. After that, click on local printer and then click on next. And then for the existing port, just look for a USB port right here. So if you have that, make sure that you select that. But in my case, I don't have that. So I'm just going to click on null and then click on next. After that, on the manufacturer, just click on the HP. And then on the printers, just look for our printer right here. In this case, that is M1132, which is right here. And then we're going to click on next. After that, just click next once again, and then the printer will now be installed in your computer. And then make sure that you choose do not share and then click on next and then click on finish. After that, if you scroll down, you will now be able to see your printer right here. So that is basically it.